Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I thought we'd keep taping downstairs. A lot of people have said it's nice to be somewhere different. It was a little too cool outside, so inside today we're doing our RWPP Rose War Panty Power, so let's get into it. This is my September Rose War Panty Power. It is sent to me for review, and below I will put my code, which is Kathrin30, and that will get you 30% off your first box. Rose War Panty Power, let's start getting into it because it is chock full of goodies, is basically a period box. You get it once a month, and the beauty is, if you don't really need a period box, okay, it doesn't have to be that anymore, because all of the period products, this is what September's card looks like, all of the period products are optional. Oh, look how pretty the paper is. So I will have tampons and pads in mine, but if you want to, you can just have one or the other, or if you don't need them anymore, you can elect not to get them and you will get another lifestyle product instead. Oh. And that's what's underneath that one. It is full. Okay, oh, Cheez-Its. Who doesn't love a Cheez-It? Our paperwork says, welcome to September, a box full of happiness. And on the inside of this, it will show you all of the products that you could have had in your box. And you will have some sort of variation of these products. And she'll put actually a check next to the ones that you received. Each month, we get snacks. This month, we have Cheez-Its Extra Toasty, a Z-Bar, and Kit Kat. I love chocolate. Also each month, like I said in the beginning, you can have tampons and pads, just tampons, or neither. And you will have 15 products. These have about a $9 value, and you will get varying sizes. And the beauty is they're also organic, which I think is the most awesome part about them. Each month, you will also receive your undies. And you go in, you let her know what size you are. She carries from a small to a 3X. You will get 2 pair. You can let her know if you want thongs, if you want all thongs, if you want no thongs. As you can tell, there's a lot of this box that you have some control over. So these are my 2 pair this month. Ooh, pretty. This is the first one, and it's just a basic pink. I always want to be sure that I have the front and the back right, ever since I had that 1 month where I didn't. But these are so soft, and they're just pink with a cute little lace around the waist and around the thighs. Super cute. And then also in very nearly the same cut, I love that these are just a basic blue for like under jeans. Although my mom tells a funny story. You don't know who my mom is, so I can tell it. About being at work one day and having on black pants and pulling her underwear down with her pants and having on black underwear also, and thinking for a minute she'd gone commando. That could happen with these with jeans, but they're super cute and also super soft. And these are cotton, so sometimes you will get silkier ones and sometimes you will get cotton ones. And the underwear has a value of $8 to $30. And then you get your lifestyle products. As a rule, you will have 3 lifestyle products. Sometimes she throws in a bonus, I think probably if they feel like one of them is smaller, but as a rule, 3 to 4 lifestyle products. Also, I should tell you, the box is $37.50, and that includes free priority shipping. Our first lifestyle product. Time to glass up so I can see this. I was gonna say there's no sticker, but it's literally printed on the front. Oh, I can't see it. It says Detox Bubble Bath, I think. Interesting that it says bubble bath, because to me, it looks like salts. See what I'm saying? See how it looks kind of like potpourri and salts? But it says bubble bath. Let's see what the paperwork says. It's from Lauren's Garden, Lauryn's Garden, and it says Breathe Detox Bubble Bath, and it has a $12 value. Well, breathe. Let's see what it smells like. Not a lot. Right on top, it's difficult to smell, but right on top, there's all of that flower, and that's what it smells like. Very floral. You guys know, with like my Lushbox and all that, I love a good bath product, so I will give that a try. Next out, looks like I have an essential oil perhaps. Kind of sweet, kind of savage. I like that name. It is perfume, and it is from Wicked Good, and that is what that looks like. Let's see what this says. This just basically tells us who it is from and what it is, so we know this is a perfume. It just says roll-on perfume, $17.95 value. Well, let's see what it smells like. Oh, that's good. Very sweet. Does it say kind of? Yeah, kind of sweet, kind of savage. leaning more toward the sweet. It smells kind of like a cupcake. I'm gonna put a little bit on my arm. That smells good. Yeah, very kind of cupcakey. Actually, I think my girls would like this too, and I think this is one their mother would let them wear, but it smells really sweet and pretty. And again, that is what that looked like. All right. Oh, we also have, these went to the bottom and I can't see down in my box. Each month we also get a couple of these, and they are stallmates. And the beauty of them is, I always say this, you can toss them in your purse. And if you're out there and you need a quick cleanup that makes you feel better about yourself, you have a couple of these. Also, feel free to use them in your home. Our last lifestyle product is charging, charging, charging. Do not disturb until morning. Oh, so charging, like, that's cute. It's from Smart and Sass, rhymes with sass. They actually have a box. I've never gotten that box. And it says, gently massage our body butter onto your skin. The rich blend of shea butter, cocoa butter, and botanical oils will melt in, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and luxuriously fragrant. So it's an organic oatmeal body butter. That sounds lovely. It is sealed. Oh, it's nice. Much, you know, you hear oatmeal and you immediately start thinking, I immediately start thinking autumnal, foodier scent. This is just bright and fresh. Let me get a little on my finger. I'm trying to avoid taking it off because it has so much all over the top. It seems really, really fluffy. Let's see. Oh, it does. That is, I like that a lot. That is really light and fresh. It feels like it's going to absorb nicely, but it made the back of my hand super soft. I like the scent of that a lot. I didn't realize that Smart and Sass did their own products. Charging, charging, charging. Do not disturb till morning. Okay. So that is our Rose War Panty Power for September. And in the box, we got the products that we always get. We have our undies and our period products if you want to have them, both the pads and the tampons. We also have our snacks, so you can have a little snacky poo, some detox bubble bath, a couple of stallmates. I don't think I can get on. Oh, I just found another product. We're gonna keep going and then we'll do that. This really nice body butter. It's so heavy. The pretty perfume that smells so sweet and nice. Let's see what this other product is. Oh my gosh, it says doing squats. So, oh, I'm just gonna show you this. If you have young children watching this with you, you might want to turn them away from your camera. I mean, it's not horrible, but I wouldn't have my girls look at it. I thought that's what it looks like. So that's super cute. I would like to match my Sass. Wonder what it is. I am incredibly, incredibly intrigued. Oh, they are bands. You know what? I might can use these. I just started doing some strength training. So this, you know what? I will probably try it. Hustle for the muscle, and it says light. I do all my own stunts. That's cute. That's the medium. And I'm assuming the heavy. Thick thighs, thin patience. I mean, these are basically the tattoos of my life, all on stretchy bands. Okay, I just realized I don't have my mic plugged in. So I'm gonna hope I have volume on all of this. And that is our Rose War Panty Power for a whole box of goodies that I showed you earlier. Plus these are really cute stretchy bands that will also put you in a good mood. Thank you so much for coming by. Again, I will put the link and my code down below that will get you 30% off your first box. And I hope I see you again really soon. Thanks to Rose War Panty Power for sending this over, and have a great day, guys. Bye.